त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्य मामृतात्।
हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपवस्रवत्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पतः नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ओम्। Namaskaram and welcome to all aspirants of the Vedanta. In our last episode of this YouTube presentation, we had covered an introductory aspect of the Kathopanishad, which we have taken as a project to go episode by episode, covering mantra by mantra of this Kathopanishad. This Kathopanishad is having 119 mantras in all, divided into 2 chapters. And each chapter is again divided into sub-chapters called vallis. Each chapter is having 3 vallis, totaling to 6 vallis. And the 6 vallis are having in all 119 mantras. Having covered the introductory aspect in the last episode, now we shall proceed with the mantra by mantra explanation of this Upanishad. This mantra pertaining to Yajurveda Shaka, it always starts with the Shanti mantra, and the Shanti mantra for this Yajurveda Shaka is thus: Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Saha Viryankaravavahai तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ओम्। So it is customary when this Upanishad is started, that Kathopanishad is started, we have a common mantra that has to be invariably recited, and that is Om Namo Bhagavate Vaivasvataya Mrityave Brahma Vidyacharyaaya Nachiketase Cha. Now we shall proceed to the mantra number 1. I will recite it in this form. Om Ushanhabhi Vajasavasas Sarva Veda Samdhado Tasya Nachiketa Nama Putrahasa. Now, let us get into the transliterated form of this verse in English. Vajasavas was the name from whom the story gets attention. Desirous of liberation, possessions-free intention, the ritual of year of antiquity called Sarvadakshina gave away all as a benefaction. Nachiketas happened to be a progeny of his generation. Now, we shall get into the substance of this mantra in short form. Caught by desire, the descendant of Vajasrava, his son Vajasravas, engaged in a fire ritual called Visvajit Yaga, signifying the giving away of all that was his material belonging and the possessions. He had a son named Nachiketas by name. Now, let us further go into the detailed aspect within the limited time. Long ago, there was a king who was addressed as a Vajasrava. Vajam means Annam, the food. Srava means the fame, as he was known for his charitable activity of Annadhanam. He had a descendant named Vajasravaha. Fire sacrifice called Visvajit Yaga used to be performed those times to attain Swargaloka. This event of fire sacrifice signifies a transition from Grihasthasrama Dharma to the Vanaprastha Dharma. In line with this, Vajasrava decided to perform Visvajit Yagam by giving away all his wealth and belongings as dhanam. He had a son named Nachiketas. So this is the more detail about this mantra. Now we'll go to the second mantra. Second mantra is recited like this. Tahum hakumarahum santam dakshinasu niyamanasu shraddha vivesashohu manyate. Now let us see the gist in West form or transliterated form in English. Where there are few ineffectual gifts on observation being carried for the purpose of benefaction, concerned was he of the futile result while in contemplation. Now let us go to the added more details for this mantra. While the dakshinas were being given away by Vajasravas, Nachiketa, his son, filled with Shraddha, looked out at the things being donated with a concern and contemplation. It is customary and a practice to complete the yaga by giving away the belongings to the Ritviks as charity and presentation to men of letters and scholars who mainly depended on such material presentations as a recognition not only for their learnedness but also for their sustenance. It works out for their sustenance and material requirements for transactions. It needs to be of a standard quality that warranties the requirements of the Ritviks. In this process, the material belongings of Vajasravasa were being carried to the spot of the fire ritual to be given away as presentations and dakshinas. His son Nachiketas, a boy of less than 10 years, keenly pained and seen and started paying attention to the happenings around the Yagashala. He was deeply occupied with some thought that he was contemplating very deeply. What is all this contemplation? What is the deep thinking? What is thinking about? All these things will follow in the coming mantras. In fact, this fire ritual signifies giving away of all the interest that one has on this earth. Before he switches over to the dharma called Vanaprastha. Vanaprastha is entering into the vana, the forest area. Before that, he gives away everything, but leaving behind what all the essentials that is required for the sustenance of the family hold. See, he has to take care of the wife, he has to take care of the children. What is the bare requirement for their well-being is ensured, and rest all the things are given away. Here, Nachiketas happened to see such of the happening that his father, after completing the fire ritual, is giving away all his belongings to the Ritviks, people who are learned, Vedic scholars, and this process is attracting him. He pays a lot of attention onto that. The boy himself is a Vedic scholar, though young, he has mastered the Veda and he knows everything. So what are the goods and bads, pluses and minuses, and what are the deficiencies in all important manner. So the deficiencies only is going to notice thereafter and explain what is going to happen in the coming episodes. Let us wait for that particular episode. Until then, let us take leave of you. Om Sakana Bhavatu Sakano Bhunattu Sahabhir Bhavahe Tejasvinavati Samastu Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.